Yesterday we celebrated St. Nicholas Day and I just wanted to show you really quickly what I got. We always get these shoes. This is from my mom and dad. Just want to show you what is inside. I got these these socks, feet holders. I guess they're supposed to be really warm. Great for the winter time because my feet are always really cold. Next up, I got a pudding. They just put hot water into a mug and then you get a pudding. Really nice. I love this. Tastes really good. Next, some chewing gum. And lastly, I got some toffee with white chocolate. And that's all that I got. Oh, I almost forgot because I opened them yesterday. I also got some mocha cookies. They're really good. I love them. It is now 6:42 and I'll be heading to my best friend's house now because she has to babysit her little cousin and I'm gonna help her and we're gonna watch a movie, I think. And we wanted to try a McDonald's hack where you get ice cream and you get the apple pie and then you dip the apple pie into the ice cream, if you know what I mean. And I think we're gonna try that. So I'm gonna go there now. I've almost finished editing the video. It's not done yet, but I think I'll be able to post it tomorrow. I still have to do the thumbnail and all of that, but it's almost finished. I'll talk to you later.
I'm in my mum's car.